Hello. Today we're going to learn how to use Figma. Figma is a powerful collaborative web-based design tool used for UI and UX design, prototyping, and more. It's free to start, works in any browser, and has a desktop app for better performance. Figma now includes enhanced AI features for tasks like image editing and design generation, but we'll focus on the core fundamentals first, which remain the foundation for all users. Step 1. Create a Figma account. Go to figma.com. Click Get Started for free. Use your email, Google, or Apple account to register. Verify your email if prompted. You'll land on the Figma dashboard, your home for files and projects. Download the Figma desktop app for offline access and better performance. It's available for Windows and Mac. Step 2. Understand the Figma interface. Go to All Projects and choose a project or create new, clicking the button in the top right corner. You can open a new file. From the top left drop-down menu, go to File and New Design. Now let's explore the key areas. In the bottom toolbar, we have Tools for moving. V on keyboard, Frames, F, Shapes, R for rectangle, and O for ellipse. Pen, P, and for text, just press T on your keyboard. On the left sidebar, we have Layers panel. It shows all objects in your file, organized hierarchically. There are also pages which are like artboards in other tools. Start with one page, add more via the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, you can adjust selected objects' fill, stroke, effects, layout, and more. Tabs for Design and Prototype. Canvas as this infinite workspace in the center. Zoom with mouse wheel while holding Control or Command. Step 3. Work with basic layers, shapes, and text. Start drawing. Select the rectangle tool and draw a shape on the canvas. In the right panel, change fill color, add stroke or border, or effects like shadow. Use ellipse for circles. Add text. Click and type. Adjust font, size, weight in properties. Organize. Name layers in the left panel with the double click. Group with Control or Command plus G. Step 4. Use frames and constraints. Frames are like artboards or containers. Select Frame tool or press F on your keyboard and draw a frame. You can also use presets from the right toolbar, for example, iPhone or desktop. Add layers inside a frame. Drag them in the Layers panel. Now, constraints. Select a child layer and in the right panel set how it resizes or scales with the parent frame, for example, pin to edges for responsiveness. Step 5. Master auto layout. Auto layout makes designs responsive. Select multiple layers or a frame, right-click, and choose Auto Layout. Adjust padding, spacing, direction, and alignment. Nest auto layout frames for complex UI like buttons with icon and text. Practice. Build a button with rectangle and text, and apply auto layout for padding. Step 6. Create components and variants. Reusable elements for efficiency. Select a designed object, like button. Right-click and create component, or press Ctrl or Command, Alt and K. Instances. Drag from Assets panel in the left sidebar to reuse. Changes to main component update all. Variants. For states like hover or pressed button, select multiple similar components and choose Combine as variants in the right panel. Step 7. Prototype interactions. Turn designs into clickable prototypes. Switch to Prototype tab in right panel. Select an object. Set interactions, on-click, after delay, animations, smart animate, dissolve. To start your prototype, click Play button or Preview in the top right corner. You can also add scrolling, overlays, and more for app-like feel. Step 8. Collaborate and share. For comments, select Object and press C key to enter the comment mode. For sharing, click Share in the top right, and then you can set permissions to view, edit, comment. Figma is real-time collaborative, something like Google Docs for design. Next steps. Complete the official beginner course. It helps you build a full portfolio. Explore community files and plugins. Practice by duplicating real designs from Figma community. Join the Figma forum for help. Figma evolves quickly. Check release notes at figma.com/release-notes. Figma autosaves and has unlimited undos at Command or Control plus Z, so experiment freely and have fun designing.